Bonjour, this is Julien the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce this number in French. We'll be looking at how to say more interesting French vocabulary and more French numbers too, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. So how do you pronounce this in French? This is how it is spelled in French, because you say in French 10 and then 1,000. Just like in English. So how do you pronounce this? Dix. Yes, I know it's spelled like it should be dix, but that's not how it is said, but rather dix. Just pretend it's an S at the end. 10,000. 10,000. Well, in fact, when you say the two words one after the other, well, I mean, the number 10 is said 10 in French, but when you say 10,000, 10,000, you don't actually pronounce the S or the X at all. 10,000. Essentially, just what you need to remember here is that it is said as 10,000. 10,000 is 10,000 in French. And now you know. I hope this was not too confusing. I hope this was clear. I hope this was useful. Let me know in the comments. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting words from French. Thanks for watching. Merci. Au revoir.